Hello viewers, my name is Justin Hogan and I'm going to show you how to switch out this doorknob lock has dropped a pin, and so I have to rekey it to another key. So first you take this nifty bar right here, you slide it in here, pushing down a tab, push it in, secure it good like so. Take some needle in those pliers and pull this out. Take this, line it up with the screws like you would, catching the pin. There's a pin right here at the bottom, so you go like this, go it in there, out this comes like this. Pop that out. Look for your keeper like you would on your deadbolt. And slide it off. This one's a little stuck. Out comes your lock. Make sure you keep your keeper. Take this. Bob's your uncle, Nancy's your aunt. We're back to this nifty little tool. Turn it till you get to that spot. Place this in there. Turn this all the way around. There's another spot on there. Take your key. Take your keys. Pop this little thing in. Your heel pop. Like so. Now you're free. The lock is free. All the pins are pushed in. Take the key you want to key it to. Cram it in. Turn it. Once the key pops out, this lock is now keyed to this key. Take this, can only go back in one way. Get your keeper. Slide it back into the grooves on the side. Oh, baby, that's what Daddy likes. Yeah, just like that. Come on. Like it doesn't just want to go in there. Go to your home! Ah, that one went in. Take this back. Again, this is one of those things that only go in one way as well. See, you can try other ways. Just won't go in. See? Once you find the way it's supposed to go in, click it. Take this key, whatever key you keyed it to, and there you go. That's how you do it. Don't forget to put the piece back in the bottom. Slides in just like that.